Hey guys, we're going to walk through the 2023 Grand Surveyor 263RKSS. This camper is 30 feet, 10 inches long, has a gross vehicle weight of 7,705 pounds. Beautiful camper on the inside, dual entrance camper, one in the bedroom, one in the back. Let's take a walk around it, see what all it has to offer. Hey guys, it's Dalton here with RV Wholesalers coming at you again. So this is the 2023 Grand Surveyor 263RKSS. This is a 2023. I believe this is the first time we've ever walked through one. So let's explore this camper together and see what all we have to offer. You are at, I believe, 7,700 pounds of gross vehicle weight, and if I remember correctly, 6,500 pounds dry weight, or roughly in there. 30 feet 10 inches, 11 feet 3 inches tall. Awesome camper. Looks like it's a couples camper with a rear kitchen setup and a front queen bed. 2 entrances here. You got a front fiberglass cap, full Azdel siding, so you have the aluminum cage with the block foam insulation, which tends to be that modern build style on all these. Let's take a walk around it, see what we can find out. Starting at the tongue, of course, you got the power tongue jack, 30-pound propane tanks. We didn't put the battery on this one because, again, it's brand new. Oh, excuse me, I lied. We did put a battery on this one. Battery disconnect right there in the front. Everything looks nice and clean. It looks like they're taking care of this unit and they're doing everything. They're proud of their work. So let's take a walk around and see what all we got to offer. Moving back down the camper a little bit, of course, you have the slam latch doors, which, of course, I'm not man enough to make it latch, but nice and easy to do. But magnetic holds, and one thing I like that they did here, automatic lights, so you can do it to where it's on all the time, off all the time, or as soon as there's motion, it's on. Nice big pass-through storage. So I'm gonna make my cameraman get in there and show it to you. But we have the griddle that goes on the side of the camper here, in there, as well as our RVW free starter kit that is in there. But moving down the side of the camper, we'll get into the under awning presence of this camper and see what all we have to offer. So moving down to the first entrance of this camper, and you can see this beautiful black glass door, so you can almost see out of the entire door when you're on the inside. And we try to keep it clean so you can see the reflection. But if you do see anything around us in this camper, we're just so excited to show it to you. We brought it in here. We're working on a project. We'll maybe tell you a little bit more about it later. But beautiful black glass door. And moving down the side of the camper, you have your outlets here, the hookup for the TV, and your black tank flush, and a couple of your outside speakers, one here, one down there, just to make that under awning presence here just a little bit nicer with the TV. And of course, you have your outside kitchen. Looks like a refrigerator. And if we move down, we also have the refrigerator, and underneath, yeah, it looks like I'm not a man about it again. This looks like a nice little rolling pin, or pan to set anything in, so that way you can cook, or maybe put a little dish in there to rinse some food off or anything like that. But nice little hydraulic to keep that drawer nice and stiff as well. So let's go check out the back. So here we are at the back of the camper. Of course, you have your power stabilizer jacks. There is a button on the front to operate the front too, but here's the button in the back. I like that it's not on the side. They kind of changed it to where it's a little bit more hidden. Ladder to get on the top of the camper. You have a full walkable roof, so you can access your solar panels, air conditioning, anything like that, as well as reseal your roof once or twice a year. So you can get full maintenance or anything. You also have your flip down storage rack. That is an option on these campers, as well as a spare tire, easy access. Backup camera prep on these campers, as well as a nice big area to maybe put the map for where you take all your camper and explore the country. So here we are inside of the 263RKSS. First impressions inside of this 2023 camper is I really like it, honestly. So let's take around and see what all we can find. As soon as you walk in the door, you have your solar controller immediately on the left. So you can control how much voltage and everything is getting, as well as you can see what your battery's up to, as well as your solar panels. Make sure everything's good to go. It looks like you have both your your awning extend right here, or your slide room extend for this slide room, as well as all your lights. Closet immediately to your right hand side. And of course, hey, automatic lights, love it. Coat rack, nice and deep for any kind of shoes or pantry if you want to use it that way. Again, awesome little setup, and I like the door with the glass window. Moving into the kitchen, nice single basin sink, stainless steel, with a nice faucet there. Nice touch with these little windows all throughout, give you nice visibility. We'll keep them closed so you don't see how disheveled our shop is here. Awesome cabinetry again with the glass windows. Microwave above the oven, not a convection though, just because you have yourself a full size an oven below. And again, with the light on, as soon as you turn the oven on, it turns red to indicate it's hot for all the kids and everything to keep their hands off. Comes with the cutting board back there, makes a nice backstop, and it looks like a utensil holder in there. Yep, nice little utensil holder. Ready vac system in the floor, so as soon as you're plugged in, you can sweep everything there and push it up in there, and it sweeps into the ready vac system. Or if you can hook a hose to it and get all the dog hair or anything up you would like. So ready vac system in the camper. Rotating over here, 12 volt refrigerator. Nice black look, keeps with the aesthetic. Plenty of space. Awesome little kitchen in this camper. So doesn't take up a lot of space. I like it. And as soon as you walk in the camper, it's right there. So if you guys go camping or anything like that, even if you're still hooked to the truck, run the slide out real fast. Don't have to be hooked up, and you have access to everything. And wouldn't take you more than 5 minutes. So here's the dining area in this camper. Looks like you have easy access under the dinette. So let's give that a shot. Let's test them out. We're not going to let the manufacturers get away with saying something and not give it a shot. Looks like you got nice hinges there, and just like they said, and it stays open. So can't beat that. And of course it turns into a bed. Just pull those two posts just like normal and set it down. So yeah, can't beat that. Has a nice awning, or a hydraulic arm if you would. Push it back down. So love that storage, and took me all of 10 seconds to do it. Nice big tinted windows all the way around. Nice and easy to operate, and looks like they're slow moving too. So theater seating here directly across from the TV. Nice recliners and everything, nice and comfy, and the nice big slide out there. TV with a sound bar, and of course that gives you control of the inside speakers as well as the outside speakers. Plenty of storage underneath for any kind of video games or TV or DVD player or anything you might want to take with you. Fireplace underneath to give you that ambiance. Nice big linoleum floor. I love that pattern. Put any rug or anything down, make it feel more homey. Plenty of storage space all the way through this camper. I like the feel of it. Let's check out the bathroom. So here's the bathroom in the 263. First impressions, plenty of space. Nice big shower in there to move around so you're not doing the shower shuffle. I'll have to display that for you guys one time. And then of course you have hooks behind the, excuse my stutter there. The hooks behind the toilet, so that way you can put your towels, robes, anything like that. And plenty of storage. Looks like open storage there. Make everything look nice and pretty. Keep it decorative there. Love that bathroom. So here we are in the bedroom, the piece de resistance, if you would, if the camper, because you never buy a camper to not enjoy the outdoors. So bedroom of the camper, queen size bed, and then of course I believe you have storage underneath. Look at that, easy storage. Got your box for the TV. There's your bin for the outside, the hoses for your central vac system. So plenty of storage, and of course all the stuff that comes with the camper. Nice queen size bed here, cabinetry all the way around, and it's just massive storage. Looks like outlets on each side, cubby holes on each side with cup holders. It's just awesome storage. They've maximized the space. Nice big window in the morning. It's tinted, so that way you can have that sunshine in the morning. Kind of rotating around so that way you can get a better view. There's the door straight to the outside, so if you got to make that morning run to the outside latrine, or you really want to chase off that squirrel that's getting in the bait in the morning or anything like that, hey, straight outside. Nice little cabinet here for clothes or anything you want to take with you or anything like that. TV backer for any kind of movies you want to watch at night with the honey. And cabinetry overhead. Overall, nice little bedroom, nice little setup for a couple's camper. I like it. So that was the 2023 Grand Surveyor 263RKSS. Ooh, I didn't even notice that. Look at that live edge on that countertop. Sorry, squirrel moment there. Anyway, so that was the 2023 Grand Surveyor 263RKSS. Overall, I really like the camper. I love the colors and everything. Love it that, I mean, 84 inches tall inside of here, so you can stand up nice and straight. You can even jump up and down and don't hit your head. Awesome floor plan. Love the linoleum in the slide. There's no carpet throughout this entire camper. I just really like the floor plan. Love the design. Love the build quality of it. Great campers. We'll see what else they have. Hopefully we'll see more of their floor plans, more of their new colors, and see what else they start putting out and see what else we can do. Again, my name's Dalton with RV Wholesalers. I hope to see you again. Hope to see you on the next one. Bye.